Good afternoon, traders. This is Tony D from the Easymarkets dealing room. Update for today. We've had fairly large moves overnight in continuation from the Bank of Japan uh, meeting, where there was a little bit less of a hawkish tilt and tweak there. We see the initial market move higher. We talked about this in the update yesterday. You know what was coming in Europe. Euro yen, pound yen, Aussie yen all went surging higher. There was a little bit of a giving up some of those gains though when it came to the euro and the pound. All these sort of downtrends and ranges have held again for the third time, and it is getting a little bit more continuous there, that these top end ranges are failing. But in terms of the general overall outlook, euro yen is and dollar yen are both looking very constructive. Even with the euro pulling back, dollar yen is doing the heavy lifting at the moment, and we're currently hitting fresh highs in the Asian session. So there is still a fair bit of appetite for the recovery. And remember, the dollar yen was on an uptrend before the pullback, and it hasn't really violated any of the key levels there in the uptrend. So we still have potential here to move back towards that 112. 50 to 113 levels, and then also up, if we go back in time, up to the early 114 levels. That was key in the early parts of the year. Market was struggling up there. But look, this is a general risk on as well. There has been some comments regarding China and US trade wars overnight, regarding there was attempts to reignite the talks between the two. And then there was speculation that Trump was going to raise the tariffs on the next 200 billion trans to 25% from 10%. Look, both of them seem to have equaled out, and the markets continued on its merry way in terms of risk appetite remaining on. You saw a little bit of a dip when the news came out regarding the new tariffs, but nothing compared to the rally that we got when the talk of new talks between China and US first emerged as well. So all in all, market hasn't moved too much and it's pretty stable here. Apple's results came out and has helped stabilize the Nasdaq, and so the market's now looking forward rather than backwards. Moving on to the next big thing, and there's a lot of big things coming. So ADP unemployment claims report tonight. That is the preview of the NFP, and we'll see exactly how that comes out. That's at 10:15 Australian time. If you do want to get up early, and you can tomorrow morning get the FOMC meeting and the statement. Now this is one of those in-between meetings. They're not expected to do much here. There may be a little bit of clarification though regarding their views towards the US economy and how strong it has been. Probably a reiteration by them though that you are going to get not too much of a response in regards to overshooting in the data in terms of them raising rates past their target level. That's been a little bit of a cause of argument in the markets, whether they're going to actually end up raising rates faster than is currently priced in by them, given that the data hasn't been improving. They've thrown cold water on this numerous times, so expect this repeat of this as well. They'll allow the economy to overheat, is the way they've put it, in the short term anyway. Alright guys, best of luck with your trading tonight. If you have any questions, do come through on the contact details below. If you're not a member of the Easy Markets dealing room and you wanted someone to assist you with your trading, come through on the link below. Someone will contact you and help you open your account.